Hi, welcome to SolidWorks 2018-19 video tutorial. I want to show you how to get a solid from surfaces. So as in the other programs, you could thicken a surface. So let's take a look. Thicken. And select the surface, maybe this one, and you will get a solid. Take a look here. Now I got 3 surface bodies and 1 solid body. One problem with this is, of course, the surface is gone. So let's undo this. The second way to get a solid from a surface is to close the surface. Let's hide maybe this one and that one. Now I could close the surface with a planar surface. Confirm, and then you have to knit it. So go for knit surface, select one surface, select a second surface, and now you can create a solid. Activate that option and confirm, and you've got a solid. That surface knit solid. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.